Welcome to NTR Education. The rainy season begins in June and ends in September in India. In this season, the sky is full of dark clouds. There are stormy winds and heavy rain in rainy season. The day was hot and the night was not pleasant. The sky was clear and there were no clouds in the sky. But the next day, it rained heavily for an hour. So most of the houses began to leak. We always welcome rain after the summer heat. We use raincoats and umbrellas in the rainy season. The roads are full of water. Children love to play in the rain and enjoy it a lot.